Before starting your Halloween night celebrations, make sure your costumed superheroes, royalty, and ghosts are visible.
This is the fundamental issue, is kids getting hit by cars in the dark of night. It's very dark here, as the times change. So, as you're planning costumes, think about ways to add lights to those costumes. Easy to do now. Think about ways to add reflective strips to the costumes. And also, you can add it to the bag that kids are carrying their loot in. Super easy thing, but it's really the visibility of the kid. If you can get anything on the back of the child as well as the front, that is a score. Those glow sticks are really fun as an option. Kids like lights and sparkles, and so use them liberally.
When trick-or-treating, Dr. Ebel recommends children under the age of 12 have parents accompany them. Also remember that there's strength in numbers.
If the kids are 12 and older, then it's reasonable for them to go in their neighborhood as long as you feel okay about your neighborhood. But I strongly recommend that they go in a group. And if possible, again, it's nice to have a parent nearby, but if they're going by themselves, make sure it's a group and talk about crossing the road safety. More kids together is always better. People pay attention to that larger group and they slow down. It's much better than a couple kids darting across the street. So make it fun.